Rainbow Hands!
Hi everyone! Welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we're going to draw the alphabet from A to I. Let's start together. First, let's draw the letter A. Now, let's draw the letter B. Next, let's draw the letter C. Now, let's draw the letter D. Let's draw the letter E. Now, let's draw the letter F. Next, let's draw the letter G. Let's draw the letter H. Finally, let's draw the letter I. Now, let's smooth out the lines to make them look nice and clean. Great job, everyone! The drawing part is all done. Now, it's time to color our letters. First, let's color A red. Use your brush and fill it in nicely. It looks just like a shiny red apple or a strawberry. Red is such a strong and happy color. Next, let's color B orange. Take your time and color inside the lines. Orange looks warm and cheerful. It's like the color of the sunset or a yummy orange fruit. Now let's color C yellow. Yellow is as bright as the sunshine. It makes everything look happy and light. It's the color of the sun, lemons, and smiley faces. Now let's color D light green. Light green looks like new baby leaves. It's soft, fresh, and so pretty. When I see green, I think about trees and grass. Let's make D full of spring color. Let's color E green. This green is a little darker. It looks like the trees in the park. Color it slowly and neatly. Great! E looks beautiful in green. Now let's color F blue. Blue is the color of the big sky and the ocean. Let's make F nice and blue. Next, let's color G, dark blue. Dark blue is a deep color. It looks like the sea at night or the evening sky. So calm, so beautiful. You're doing such a great job coloring G. Let's color H purple. Purple looks like grapes and pretty flowers. It's a special and royal color. H looks so fancy in purple. I really love this color. Finally, let's color I pink. Pink is soft and sweet. It looks like cotton candy and cute flowers. When I see pink, it makes me feel happy. Let's make I bright and lovely. Wow! Look at all our letters. They are so colorful and beautiful. Now, let's read all the letters together. Are you ready? Let's go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Great job, everyone! You read them all. That was amazing! Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today! See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends!